Ever wondered how the richest royal family in the world spends its fortune? Imagine for a moment, if you will, a royal family so wealthy that their fortune is estimated at a staggering $2 trillion. Yes, you heard it right. 2 trillion. That's 12 zeros, folks. This is no fairy tale, my friends. This is the reality for the House of Thani, the royal family of Qatar, making them the richest royal family in the world. Now you might be thinking, oh, it's probably all that oil and gas money. And you wouldn't be entirely wrong. Qatar is indeed blessed with some of the most abundant reserves of oil and gas on the planet. But here's the twist. The House of Thani didn't just rest on their laurels, sitting atop their natural wealth. No, they had the foresight to diversify their portfolio, to spread their chips around the global economic table, if you will. From significant stakes in some of the leading companies around the world to owning iconic real estate in the most prestigious cities, the Qatari royal family's wealth is not just about black gold. They've got their fingers in every pie. Their successful investments span across various sectors and continents, making them not just royals but world-class investors and business moguls. But here's the million, or should I say the trillion-dollar question: how do they spend this astronomical wealth? Well, the answer to that question is as fascinating as the wealth itself. From the finest luxuries that money can buy to investments that shape the world's economy, their spending habits are nothing short of a spectacle. But how exactly do they spend this mind-boggling amount of wealth? Let's dive in and find out. When you're as rich as the Qatar's royal family, you can afford to live anywhere. And they certainly do. Let's start our journey with their breathtaking mansion situated in London's Regent's Park, a property worth a staggering $300 million. It's not just a house, it's a testament to opulence. This mansion is nothing short of a palace featuring numerous bedrooms, marble-fitted bathrooms, and a kitchen that could easily cater to a small army. But it doesn't end there. This mansion also houses a private cinema, because why would you go to the movies when you can bring the movies to you? And let's not forget about the indoor swimming pool, a lavish escape for those who wish to take a dip in luxury. But London isn't their only playground. The family also owns a $60 million penthouse in New York. This penthouse isn't just a home, it's a slice of the sky. Imagine waking up to views of the sprawling cityscape and sipping your morning coffee while looking out over Central Park. The penthouse features floor-to-ceiling windows for those panoramic vistas, not to mention a fully equipped gym, because staying fit is a luxury too. Of course, both these homes come equipped with helipads because when you're a member of the Qatar royal family, traffic is a concept that doesn't apply to you. Just hop on your private chopper and off you go, soaring above the cityscape, waving at the commoners below. And these are just two of the many extravagant homes owned by the family. Each one is a statement, a testament to the family's wealth and their appreciation for the finer things in life. They are not just homes, they're landmarks, they're pieces of art, they're symbols of the extraordinary wealth and influence wielded by this family. But homes are just the beginning of their extravagant spending. When it comes to vacations, the Qatar's royal family knows how to travel in style. The world is their playground, and they own some of the most exquisite pieces of it. Take, for instance, their private island in the Maldives, a paradise on earth, where they escape the hustle and bustle of royal duties. Their mode of transport? Luxury yachts and private jets, of course, because why travel like commoners when you can sail the seas in opulence or soar the skies in a flying palace? These aren't your average boats and planes. We're talking about multi-million-dollar vessels and jets equipped with everything from gourmet kitchens to plush suites. And let's not forget about the entourage. Each trip is an extravagant affair with private chefs whipping up delectable meals and security teams ensuring their safety. The price tag on these trips? Millions. But then again, when you're sitting on a $2 trillion fortune, what's a few million? But even these lavish vacations are just a drop in the ocean of their wealth. The Qatar's royal family doesn't just buy homes and vacations, they also invest in art. A pursuit that is both a passion and a status symbol, the family's art collection is a storied treasure trove that is estimated to be worth over a breathtaking $1 billion. Now, when you're talking about a collection of this magnitude, you're not talking about prints from the local gallery. No, we're diving into a world where masterpieces from the greatest artists in history are the standard. They've got Picassos, they've got Monets, and if you can name any renowned artist from the last few centuries, chances are, they've got them too. Picasso, the ingenious Spanish painter and sculptor, is well represented in their collection. The family is known to have purchased his works for eye-watering sums, often breaking records in the process. Imagine strolling through your own private gallery, coming face to face with original Picassos, each one a testament to the artist's revolutionary vision. It's like owning a piece of history, a snapshot of the creative mind that changed the face of art forever. Then there's the enchanting world of Monet, the French impressionist who painted life as he saw it, in all its fleeting beauty. The family's collection boasts several of Monet's masterpieces. These aren't just paintings, they are portals into the past, offering glimpses of moments caught in time, painted with Monet's distinctive brushstrokes. They are reflections of the artist's soul, captured in oil and canvas, and now they are a part of the royal family's priceless collection. But don't think that the family's interest in art is confined to the classics. They are also patrons of contemporary art, supporting living artists and nurturing the growth of art culture across the world. Their collection is a blend of the old and the new, a testament to their appreciation for the evolution of art. Yet their spending doesn't stop at art. Despite their extravagant lifestyle, the Qatar's royal family is also known for their generous philanthropy. In the midst of their opulence, they have a heart that beats for the welfare of others. They have a long history of charitable giving, with millions of dollars donated to causes that are dear to their hearts. Education and healthcare are two such sectors that have greatly benefited from their generosity. Let's delve a little deeper into the specifics. In the realm of education, they have invested heavily, making it accessible for many who would otherwise be left in the lurch. Scholarships have been created, schools have been built, and educational programs have been funded. They've made a firm commitment to enriching the minds of the future, and their investments are a clear testament to that. Moving on to healthcare, the royal family's contributions have been nothing short of monumental. They've given millions of dollars to fund hospitals, research institutions, and medical initiatives. Their sizable donations have been instrumental in advancing healthcare, not just within the confines of Qatar but across the globe. And that's not all. The Qatar's royal family has pledged to invest an impressive $1 billion in cultural institutions and scholarships over the next 10 years. This is a clear reflection of their unwavering commitment to foster a thriving cultural scene and to make education accessible to all, regardless of their financial standing. Yes, they may live a life of unparalleled luxury, but they also understand the power of giving back. They recognize that their fortune is not just a means for personal enjoyment, but a tool to make a positive difference in the world. As we have seen, their philanthropic endeavors are as grand as their lifestyle. They are not just about opulence and extravagance, but also about generosity and giving. So there you have it, a glimpse into the spending habits of the richest royal family in the world. From extravagant homes to priceless art, their wealth is truly mind-boggling.